Students in Chicago walked out of classes on Friday to pressure officials to switch to remote learning as a surge in COVID-19 cases fueled by the Omicron variant disrupts schools around the United States. The latest wave of infections has renewed the debate over whether to keep schools open as officials seek to balance fears about the highly contagious Omicron variant with concerns that kids could fall even further behind after 2 years of stop and start instruction. The result has been a patchwork of COVID-19 policies around the country that has left parents feeling exhausted and bewildered. In Chicago, a student group, Chicago Public Schools Radical Youth Alliance, organized a walkout at various city schools on Friday afternoon, followed by a rally outside the district's headquarters. Students had just returned to Chicago schools on Wednesday, January 12, after a week of cancelled classes due to a standoff between teachers and the school district over COVID-19 protocols. The teacher union agreed to return to in-person instruction after striking a deal to strengthen safeguards. Nearly 5,000 public schools across the country have closed for at least one day this week due to the pandemic, according to Burbio, a website that tracks school disruptions. The Omicron surge appears to be slowing in areas of the country that were hit first in the last week. New cases have risen only 5% in northeastern and southern states compared with prior 7-day period. In western states, by contrast, the number of new cases has climbed 89% in the past week compared with the previous week. Overall, the United States is still tallying nearly 800,000 new infections a day and record levels of hospitalized patients with COVID-19.